Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to purchase a dropshipping subscription. So from the page BrandsGateway.com, you click on dropshipping here and then you click on pricing. This takes you to the pricing page. These are all the dropshipping packages that we have and that we offer, all the integration. So we have a Shopify app, WooCommerce plugin, Wix app, Shift4Shop integration, BigCommerce integration. We provide a CSV file and REST API integration. When you want to purchase any of this subscription, you simply need to select the subscription that you would like to purchase, for example, Shopify or WooCommerce. Afterward, you select annual or monthly package. It's upon your decision and it takes you to the window where you can pay for the subscription. For example, Shopify is taking you to the Shopify application page. Then, when you click on WooCommerce, choose a plan. For example, I will choose monthly enterprise plan. Here it's taking me to the payment gateway so that I can pay for the dropshipping plan that's for WooCommerce plugin. After you have paid the subscription, you are able to integrate the products to your online store. So that's how you purchase a dropshipping subscription. You have all the information, what comes within all the packages here and what benefits will you get. So make sure to read it. And if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out the support team.